So today in the shop, I'm doing the glue up and assembly of this Bowie. It is stainless guard, some mahogany, some of my own Damascus and antler. I initially started by gluing it together with some of this thicker two-part epoxy. I did that because I wanted it to be held together. Now I'm going back in with some thinner stuff and it's going to fill all the gaps and the voids. I gently pour just a little bit at a time. That way it trickles down through. That nut is protruding just a little bit. That's a little brass nut. I threaded on the end of the tang. I will flush that off, and there's a hole in the center that I will put a pin that will be glued, and I will put the end cap that'll be a decorative piece on that. This is the pin that will go down inside of the center of that nut, and this is the decorative cap I was speaking about. I still have a little bit of work, but you can kind of see how it's going to go. It's going to look like kind of like a flower. That brass pin will go through there, and I will pin the end of that around to swell that out and hold that cap in place.